At the heart of our transformation is the shift from a traditionally mechanical world to a smarter and interconnected one, where systems are becoming more and more autonomous and computerized. With technological advancements and automation capabilities, we're able to scale and do more overall with the same amount of resources. Teams of engineers continuously work to test, evaluate, and ultimately adopt the latest technologies to use in our electric system, so reliable power is always available.
SDG&E's use of technology for improving their reliability and for balancing supply and demand, all the issues that an electrical utility faces, I think they're way ahead of the curve and far outshine the other public utilities in California.
All the while, we're adapting to California's changing energy and climate landscape by investing in technologies to advance our clean energy goals and also reduce infrastructure risk. With our infrastructure upgrade programs, we evaluate the integrity of power poles and wires using advanced technology such as light detection and ranging survey data, three-dimensional analytical software, and drones. Replacing wood poles with steel poles allows us to use stronger, thicker wire, and we're increasing the space between the wires on each pole, which reduces the chance of debris or other objects getting caught in between the wires. Today, we're supplying around 45% renewable energy to every customer, and we continue to improve the delivery, technology, and automation required to allow more renewable energy flowing into our system. Exploring different types of power sources to improve reliability for rural electric customers is our commitment. In a remote part of our service area, the Borrego Springs community has historically experienced many outages due to extreme weather conditions and because it's served by a single power line. The 3,000 residents there need and deserve reliable power. The solution is the Borrego Springs microgrid, the first utility-owned large-scale microgrid in America that uses smart grid technology, including local power generation, energy storage, and automated switching to create a more resilient power grid. What are other ways to enhance reliability while maximizing renewable energy? A 30-megawatt lithium-ion battery storage facility debuted in the North San Diego community of Escondido in February 2017. At the time, it was the largest lithium-ion battery storage project in the world. The facility can store up to 120 megawatt-hours of energy. The 400,000 batteries, similar to those in electric vehicles, act like a sponge, soaking up and storing energy when it's abundant and releasing it when energy resources are in high demand. Our commitment to energy storage continues with future projects. 5 new facilities totaling 83.5 megawatts were approved earlier this year. When you consider the fact that the amount of renewable generation connected to SDG&E's system reaches as high as 75% of our energy demand in the early afternoon, accommodating this level of renewable energy would have been impossible without the modernization of a cleaner, more reliable energy grid. SDG&E has some of the most innovative solutions for voltage stability. We recently installed 7 synchronous condensers, massive pieces of equipment that manage voltage and continuously adjust for conditions on the grid. We also have the largest phase-shifting transformer in the world to prevent overloading transmission lines through Mexico if we lose major transmission infrastructure feeding into our service area. An efficient and reliable grid is vital to the economic prosperity in our region and the cross-border commerce activity that takes place every day. Creating the building blocks for a modernized grid that provides our customers with reliable power. That's what we're doing here at SDG&E today, tomorrow, and in the years to come.